Morning. Yan. Travel na tayo doon sa 4 AM. Lods, nandito na tayo sa galing tayo ng Papala Lodge ng Montalban, Rizal. Yan. 4 AM pa lang umalis na tayo doon. Naka 35 minutes travel na tayo. Nandito na tayo sa Marikina Lodge. Kasi si loading yung pang morning shift. Ayan mga lods. Alam niyo naman sa call center bawal yung mali. Kaya yung best tip ko pala sa inyo lods, kailangan bumili kayo ng panyo ng bisikleta. Kasi pag madaling araw kasi lods, wala na. Walang masasakyan at saka mahal yung taxi dito sa Manila. Kahit nasa Marikina ka pa. Yung tingin nga pala sa taxi lods sa Marikina, sa Montalban hanggang Eastwood 1.6. Yung mga ordinaryong taxi lang. Pero pag gusto nyo lods makatipid, yun, sumakay kayo sa UB. Sikan nga lang lods, tatagain nyo 50 pesos hanggang Cubao, magdadalawang sakay pa kayo. Pag bisikleta lods, isang sakay na lang. Napakabilis yung travel natin. Ito lang yung the solution lods dito sa Manila. Para makatipid tayo, bili kayo ng bisikleta. Yung bibili nyo bisikleta lods, yung tag lowest 10,000. Ay yung bisikleta ko kasi 15,000 to eh. Kaya kahit saan ako dalhin ito, gwapo pa rin. Lods, kailangan yung adjustment ng time. Alam niyo naman sa American company lods, kailangan yung yung time to time tawagin. Sa Pilipino time to time. Ibig sabihin, darating ka sa tamang oras. 5 minutes before your time. O kaya 30 minutes. Yan. Ang Pilipino kasi, pag yung oras nila na 5:30, dumarating yan, alas 7 na. Pilipino time yan Hindi tulad sa mga Amerikano na pag sinabing ang oras ay alas 6, alas 5 pa lang nandyan na. Yan yung tinatawag nilang American time. Adjust lang tayo sa oras kasi kailangan na makapasok tayo ng hindi tayo late. Yan sila yun. 1 hour travel lang lods and 20 minutes. Mula Montalban, Cubao, Quezon City. Yan lods. Walang gaanong kasi umaga pa 5:10 AM na kasi yung oras ni loading nyo 6 AM, napakaaga. Kailangan tayong mag-adjust. Tayo yung mag-adjust lods hindi yung oras. Sabi nga nila lods, lost riches might be regained, but lost time can never be recovered. Ito yung lods. Saka magbaon na rin tayo kasi mahal ang pagkain sa call center place. Kulang ang 500 mga lodi. Magbaon na rin kayo. Lutong bahay, masarap pa. Yan mga lods. Call center life yan lods Mapa security, mapa employee, mapa officer. Isa lang yan. Lods, nandito na tayo sa San Roque lods sa Sabungan. San Roque, Sabungan, nandito na tayo. Napakabilis ng travel ko ngayon lods. 5:15 AM na. Patagos tayo ng De La Paz, tapos shortcut tayo ng Green Park Pasig, tapos kakanan tayo Quezon City. Eastwood Quezon City na lods. Stay safe, stay strong. Lods, walang ganong mga lods walang ganong mga kotse pag ganitong oras pa. Kasarapan pa ng tulog lods. Kaya si Lodi nyo maaga nagising kasi 6 AM yung time niya. Salamat nga ako dito sa bike ko kasi kahit saan ako makarating, nadadala niya ako. Kaya alagaan din natin lods yung sinasakyan natin araw-araw. Kasi napakahirap mag-commute ngayon sa panahon ngayon. Bawat galaw mo, kulang ng 200. Yan, yung total expenses kung alam pala Lods ngayong araw, pan lang 100 pesos. Buong araw na yun Lods. Mayroon na akong ulam doon. Yung ulam ko pala, langka, ginataan, tsaka adobong manok Lods, 3 piraso, 55 pesos. Yun na yung one ko Lods, yung transportation. Kaya yung sahod ko, buo pa rin. Kasi kailangan tayo magpanlots mag-budget sa panahon ngayon kasi napakamahal ang bilihin. Pag yung sahod mo 30k, pag hindi ka nagtipid, ang matitira na lang 500 na. Kasi loading nyo 30k yung sahod, siguro yung magagastos natin Lods, kuha na lang mga 2k lang Lods. Sa isang buwan na yun sa expenses. Di may uwi pang 28k. May pambayad pa tayo ng magpaplat. Kailangan natin lang sa mag-budget. Importante yan. Maliban na lang pagkabayaran na tayo ni YouTube Lods, bibili tayo ng expander. Yung panloads, yung pang travel na malaki, doon ko i-invest yung kikitain ko sa YouTube Lods. Doon sa please subscribe Lods ha, my channel, Call Center Lodi Traveler sa YouTube Lods ha. God bless you all around the world, my friend. Don't forget to subscribe Lods ha, Call Center Lodi Traveler. Have a blessed morning. 5:10 AM, March 8, 2024, Philippine time. Going to work Lods, going to work. Yeah. Because work is important. Every one of us. Without work, no money. Lods. Dalapas sa Pasig Lods sa Marcos Highway. It's very fast to travel Lods, in the Philippines in the morning. But you have a bike, Marcos Highway. Have a blessed morning. Dito tayo Lods sa Marcos Highway Lods. Morning, morning. Morning Philippines. Wala pang train. Napakaaga. There's no train yet. It's only barangay, you can see. the red light. Good morning Philippines. Travel safety na Marcos Highway Lods ha. Marcos Highway, De La Paz, Pasig, Cainta, Rizal. Have a blessed morning. Good morning, De La Paz, Pasig City. Call center here, 5:10 AM. Load is here, stay. And pass by. Hello, sabi dito ba ito? Zaman ko dito sa Spark na road. Kapag sila the worker Lods in the Philippines. Yeah. We're here in Napalad sa De La Paz. De La Paz, Pasig. Going to shortcut road Lods, going to Quezon City, call center place. Yeah. It's a very fast travel Lods in bicycle in the Philippines. You can see the Panlods, the beautiful place in De La Paz, Pasig City, where Mayor Vic Soto is here. Stay here in this place. Did you know the Tito Vic and Joey? Favorite place Lods sa Pasig City, De La Paz. Dait Bulaga in Pasig. Favorite place. That's why Lodi wears pass by. going to work this morning. It's very far travel from Montalban to Marikina via De La Paz to Pasig City, going to Quezon City. This would call center place. You can see the beautiful place of De La Paz, Pasig City, Lods. Green part, and then right corner going to Eastwood call center place. Hi Lods, if you see my Lods, my ads in my YouTube channel, don't skip Lods, you just watch until end for my payment in YouTube Lods. Many ads as of now 2024, God blessing. You just finish the Lods, watching my advertising Lods in my YouTube channel Lods, call center Lodi Travel yan. Before you skip, okay? Thank you. Hi Lods, we will be here in Acacia Lake, Pasig City. A shortcut road going to Quezon City Lods. Going to Eastwood Libis. Dito na tayo Lods sa Acacia Lane, Escalades, where the Robinson Homes condominium is here. That's building, Acacia Escalade, Robinson condominium. Yeah. You can see the beautiful place of Pasig City, Marikina, Montalban, San Mateo, and Quezon City Lods. Moderate traffic on dito Lods. You can see the condominium of Quadlods, Robinson Acacia Escalade condominium. No more light this morning. You can see the tricycle in Philippines. Going to my work. It's a very expensive fare this morning if you ride the tricycle in Bagumbayan, Libis. 60 pesos you pay for a special. If you have a companion, 20 pesos each. But you can wait until the tricycle is loaded. That's why we need our extra shuttle service. You can see the Panlots, the back of the river. No more light this morning. We will pass the Manggahan Beach. Lodi is the best traveler in Manila, Philippines. You can see the condominium in near the Pasig River. If I have a blessing, I will buy 1 unit in that place. That's the best place, the condominium. Where Lodi is jogging area, jogging place. Good morning. This is the Circulo Verde condominium in Libis, Quezon City. If you have 3 million, you can get a 1 unit, 2 bedrooms in that place. If God permits soon, if God give me a chance in a lotto, I will buy a pan. I will buy a 1 unit condominium in that place, Circulo Verde, the best place, Lord. We're in Pasig River. It's only 5:30 a.m. this morning. March 8, 2023. I work in a day shift schedule this morning. That's why I buy a bike for my convenience travel. And I can see the beautiful place in Metro Manila. My bike is very expensive, but it is okay. We're here lang Quezon City, Lods, ha? Bagumbayan, Libis, Quezon City. I pass by the bridge in Manggahan Bridge, and then this is Quezon City Schools. You can see the international school and many building in this place, a heart of Quezon City, the beautiful place. It is next from Makati, Lods, Quezon City. Many foods you buy per order, foods here 70 pesos, and rice 15 each. Good morning. You can see the shuttle of Panlods. EI Shuttle Bus Company. You can see the beautiful place. Good morning, EI. The driver is my friend. The EI is owner of Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation, the EI company. Good morning. We're here in Smooth. Few minutes left, I will go to my work. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Lods, ha? Call Center Roadie Traveler. Whatever it takes. And always remember, lost riches might be regained, but lost time can never be recovered. We're here. We're here. Call center place, Lods. Thank you, and God bless. Good morning. Have a blessed morning.